Hi, thank you so much for joining us on Cooking Made Easy. On today's segment, we're gonna go ahead and do veggie burgers. Here are our ingredients. 8 ounces of mushrooms, 1 medium carrot, 1 1/2 cup of broccoli, 1/4 medium onion, 1 can of black beans, 2 cups of spinach, 1/3 cup of walnuts, 2 large eggs, 2 garlic cloves, 1 handful of cilantro, which is optional, 3 teaspoons of salt, 3 teaspoons of garlic and parsley seasoning, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. First, we're gonna ground up the vegetables. Take your carrots and mushrooms and place them into a food processor or blender. Broccoli, our onions, add our cilantro with our garlic cloves, our spices, and pulse everything together to make it ground. Make sure to be very gentle if you are using a blender. Pulse it instead of turning it on completely to blend everything. So this is how it should be looking. There should be some texture, but the vegetables should be chopped. Make sure to grab a baking sheet, and you can either use foil or parchment paper and place it on the baking sheet so the vegetables do not stick to the pan itself. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on here. Just gonna do 1 layer. We're gonna grab our chopped vegetables and place them on here. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 400 degrees and let this sit in there for about 15 minutes. You're gonna start to notice it's going to get brown. If it does start to harden up, go ahead and give your vegetables another mixture, place them down, pat it down, and put it back in there for another 5 minutes. Next, we are going to place this into the oven for about 15 minutes. Careful, it's very hot. It's gonna go in there, perfect. Next, we are going to place the black beans into another baking sheet and roast them for about 15 minutes as well. A little bit of olive oil, boom, place the black beans onto here. What we want on the black beans is for them to open up when they are getting roasted. All right, once we have placed the beans onto a baking sheet, we're gonna go ahead and put these inside as well for about 15 minutes. While the vegetables and black beans are roasting, we are going to pulse the spinach and the walnuts. Things chopped up finally. Now we're gonna let this sit here and wait for the vegetables and the black beans to get roasted and put everything in together. So now I'm just gonna check the vegetables to make sure everything is getting cooked evenly. Just mix that up just a little bit so everything gets cooked throughout, the black beans as well. And if you notice, they are opening up here, and that is exactly what we want. We're gonna let this cool down for 15 minutes. Place that there, take the beans out. So it should look like that. And the beans should be opened up. Perfect. It's been about 10 minutes that we let the beans cool down. Now we are going to place them into the blender and pulse them with the spinach and the walnuts. We are going to move on to the roasted vegetables. Next, we are going to put 1/2 cup of panko into the blender. Just gonna sprinkle a little bit first. Tablespoon of tomato paste. Add 2 eggs. And this is exactly what we want. This consistency, it's sticky, so we create the patty. That is completed. So the next thing is to fold in the brown rice. But what we did here is we are going to use quinoa instead of brown rice. So now I'm gonna add the vegetable mix onto here and fold everything together, like so. The egg, the panko, all the ingredients made it able to stick, which is absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and make a little bit more. I'm gonna round it into an actual circle here. There we go. Lightly spray, perfect. I'm gonna place the patty right into the pan. Oh. See how it stays round like that? My buns, I like to heat my buns up for my hamburger here. So I'm just gonna place them on here while that cooks. It's okay, that will happen. Boom. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna put my cheese on top. Provolone cheese, let that melt beautifully there. Boom. Actually, the cheese will hold the patty together. So that's a good tip there. Oh. Some tomatoes, some lettuce. Top it right there. Beautiful. There you have it, folks, a veggie burger. Let's dig in. Yeah. Oh yeah.